Stuck with a domain that won't let you set up email? Here's exactly how to authorize it in Namecheap in under 5 minutes. We'll go from logging into Namecheap, navigating to domain list, and authorizing FreeDNS to enable email. Let's start. All right, first things first, open up your browser and head over to Namecheap.com. You'll want to make sure you're signed into your account. This is where we'll start everything. So now that you're on the homepage, go ahead and click on the Account button in the top right corner. It's usually right next to the cart icon. This opens up your main dashboard. Next, from that drop-down menu, click on Domain List. This is your command center for everything related to the domains you own. Now, you're going to see a list of all your domains. Find the one you're having trouble with and click on Products. This might be a little tab right next to the domain name itself. And here's the part where a lot of people get tripped up. You'll see a highlighted area on the screen. Go ahead and click on that highlight. It's going to open up a few more options, specifically for that domain. Now, look for the option that says Authorize FreeDNS. Click on that. This is the core step. Without this authorization, your domain is essentially locked down. It won't let you use any of the FreeDNS features, which is exactly what you need for email forwarding to work. Once you've clicked that, you'll notice a new section appears. Go ahead and click on Email. This is where we'll set up the actual forwarding. Then you'll see a drop-down or a list for Select Email. Click on that to see the available options. From that list, click on admin@welcomeworld.com. This is a common default email they offer, but don't worry, you can customize this later. Now, pay close attention to this next part. You'll see a notice that says Authorization is required to verify your domain ownership. Click on that. This is the verification step that actually unlocks everything. It's Namecheap's way of making sure you're the real owner before they let you make changes. Finally, once you've clicked on that authorization notice, click on Save Changes. And that's it. Just give it a moment to process. You might need to refresh the page, but once it saves, your domain is now authorized. You'll be able to set up your email forwarding and use FreeDNS without any more roadblocks. I've walked through this exact process countless times, and this one step is the key to getting everything working. So you're all set.